welcome to another video. We're in this HS2 farm. From what I've researched, it's been abandoned because of HS2. Someone set fires over there. They've still got the hay in here. I don't know much about farming, but that looks like maybe a trough going out over. There's little storage barns over this side. There is a skip, but people obviously gutting it at one point. Just looks like some supplies. It's like someone might have been trying to renovate the place. That looks like the back of like a silo kind of thing, or a grain store. Looks pretty faded, so I don't know how recent that is. So this is where it leads through to. The power supplies, obviously all the cables have been ripped out. This hopper. I don't know a huge amount about farming, so if anyone does know what this equipment's for, let me know. Now, are we thinking these stairs are going to be safe or not? Yeah. A little bit rockety. Probably not the safest, but we'll just have a quick look up here. Oh wow. It's like some kind of spinning wheel. This looks pretty rotted, so I'm not going to wander over there. All the joists look gone. Look at the thickness of the belt. Look how rusty this beam is. I wonder how long it's been here. I'm guessing from the farm, it's not going to be a new farm. It's looks like a fairly old farm. From what I understand, it's a HS2 compulsory purchase. So when they were kind of forced out the farms. Quite a few farms around this kind of area, it's compulsory purchase. They took a load of land. Not good for the farmers, sadly. There's the other side of that wheel. So if you go around this side, just a little barn. Looks like it's still got a load of hay in. Oh, we can get through the back here. Oh wow. See, from the front I thought this was just, because obviously we walked in from just over there, I thought this would have just been like a vehicle storage. It doesn't look like it is. Got little feeders or whatnot. And a trough coming all the way down. It's like it could have been a cattle farm. Still got loads of hay here. This architecture is lovely though, isn't it, with the wood? The archwork. That's what they're trying to replicate these days, but and I'm not very technical with the terminology and the way that they do it, but they use these wood wedges to hold the wood in. I think it's dowling. Looks super cool though. So there's more hay over there in that building, and that just looks like storage. Loads of smashed up stuff in here. This looks like it would have been a bit of a storage for like tiles or the ridges and all that, like bricks, and people just come and smashed everything up like they normally do. Got this hay down, so clearly at some point animals would have been in the barn. Some AdBlue. Sure that's originally from the farm. Not. It's like little troughs. Here's probably going to be like a water pipe coming all the way through these. So I do wonder if this was a cattle farm. Oh wow. So there's loads of these now. So I'm going to guess it was all fed from the back. Keep the water filled. Little sections. It's a fascinating place. Little makeshift troughs, like, geez, not the ridge tile, just upside down. Now this is a lot more falling down. Look at the bars. And the old animal sheds, isn't it? This would have been an outside toilet. This place is a bit bigger than I thought it was. Let's have a look. It goes all the way that way. So it's just bags. Typical graffiti. It's like people have smashed part of the roof off. It's like some kind of cooker or heater maybe. People know, let me know. It's got more buildings over there, which I will go check out. I'm going to go the other way though. Bad day to wear shorts. So we'll check out these ones first and then go into the main house. These look like horse stables, these do. Let's have a look through the window rather than trying to climb through. They look like horse stables. That's the building that we've just been in with the chimney. And that leads us off the property. It's like, it's just so this into the house. Don't vandalise, please. What people have spray painted that on. Go home. I'm in here. Look what's inside the freezer. Look. Just a glove. Oak Levinson rope. Then we'll make our way this way first. So people have broken in this way. Those are the graffiti. It's like people log when they come here. But someone's had a fire on the floor. So which way? It's got a staircase that way. It's still been the living room. Fireplace is still intact. I don't really know what's underneath this lot, so I'm not going to tread all over it just in case it's, you know, you see stuff where that stuff in booby traps and everything, so don't really want to risk that. Copper thieves have been in, full of cable. This is strangely not even that bad. And the windows have been smashed. It's actually in a fairly good condition. People's artwork. What would have been the original front door in. There's a shoe rack underneath the stairs. And would you look at that, the stairs look decent. So we will be going up there to check. Soon a downstairs toilet. It's like a little room. With an old fireplace in. Go through this way. So another room. That's weird, only one plank, but it's where the copper pipes are in ran. Just have a look. The wardrobes. Weird like this, probably wouldn't take a huge amount. Okay, I say a huge amount, it's going to take quite a bit to redo, but compared to what I normally look at, it's in pretty good condition. So make sure we walk on the beam there. This side looks a lot more destroyed. Looks like people have ripped down the ceiling. It's like bedding. Don't destroy. Oh wow. Don't destroy, please. It's like someone's living in here. Not here to destroy the place, just here to explore. So if the person that is living here is still here, I'm just here to check it out. I'll be gone soon. It's kind of sad though. Make our way back over. Well, there was a way to get upstairs, but when I looked from here, that's where the laughing plaster. So this is on the third story. Just a really big open space. Bit rotten over there. This is the last room. Okay, let me just go this way because this isn't as rotten. So here it is. There's the fireplace. Sorry for the poor lighting.
Oh yeah.
The fireplace. What I'll do is I'll come over. Try to follow the joist. Yeah. Nice little farmhouse. I'd like to thank you all for watching. If you liked it, subscribe, drop a like, and drop a comment if you know any information about this place. And I'll catch you on the next one.